Here's how to present and record your lecture using Zoom for real-time remote student engagement from the classroom and allow future viewing. First, sign into the Podium computer using your Boise State username and password. Open a web browser and sign in to Myboisestate at my.boisestate.edu. Launch Blackboard from Myboisestate. If Blackboard does not appear in your Services menu, you can access it using the search box at the top of the Services menu. Open the course materials you plan to present, Google Slides, PowerPoint, etc. In Blackboard, click the Zoom Meetings link on the left navigation menu. Find your scheduled meeting and click Start to start your meeting. When prompted, click to launch the Zoom application. Click Test Speaker and Microphone to set up audio for your classroom. To set up audio, first you'll select which speakers to use. Zoom will play a ringtone so you can hear when you have the room speakers selected. Once you have the speakers selected, click Yes. Next, you'll select which microphone to use. In rooms with lapel mics, select Line In and make sure the microphone is turned on. Once you have the mic set, click Yes. You should now see a prompt that the speaker and microphone looks good, and you can click Join with Computer Audio, and then you'll need to click Join with Computer Audio again. If you see a black screen in Zoom at this point, you'll need to turn on the camera. In rooms with auto-tracking cameras, from the Crestron panel on the podium, select the camera screen, tap the Power On button, and finally tap the Auto-Tracking On button. In Zoom, you should now see yourself in the video. Click the Chat button on the menu at the bottom of the screen to monitor questions from students. Click the Participants button on the menu at the bottom of the screen to admit students from the Zoom waiting room. When you're ready to begin your class, click the Record button on the menu at the bottom of the screen and choose Record to the Cloud. Click the Share Screen button to share your screen with the class. At the end of your class, end the Zoom meeting, place the lapel mic in its charger, and be sure to sign out of the classroom computer.